Using the blockchains feels effortless as having a conversation. At the heart of this transformation is OneNess AI. As we approach the biggest technology auction of our generation, OneNess is poised to redefine how we interact with advanced blockchains. With OneNess AI, users can interact with blockchains using natural language, eliminating the need for extensive coding knowledge. The platform offers automated capabilities like transactions, trading, flash loans, and token creation, streamlining blockchain operations. OneNess AI supports major networks like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Bitcoin, and Solana, providing versatility and choice. On July 4th, OneNess AI will auction 3 AI Powered EVM blockchain configurations, marking a significant milestone. The auction will be hosted on prestigious platforms like OpenSea, Sotheby's, and Christie's, adding to its significance and reach. With a starting price of $1 million per configuration, the auction sets the stage for a revolutionary event in AI blockchain integration. OneNess AI has the potential to transform how we interact with blockchain networks, unlocking new possibilities and use cases. By offering a more accessible and user-friendly approach, OneNess AI democratizes access to blockchain-based applications and services. Compared to other projects, OneNess AI has garnered significant funding and attention, positioning itself as a leader in AI blockchain integration. Don't miss your chance to be part of this technological revolution. Attend the auction and explore the OneNess AI platform. Buyers will receive hybrid no-coding EVM AI-powered blockchain with Chainlink integration, token factory to create token and NFTs zero coding, Ethereum tether, 1 billion gas tokens funding. Choose between 32 blockchain including Bitcoin and Solana as endpoints. Join us on this exciting journey and discover the power of OneNess AI. Together, we can revolutionize blockchain interaction.